Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the third chapter, plants that eat and other wonders. So let's start. In the beginning, there is you have to share your experience regarding the plant, that how a plant look. Okay, what kind of plant it is, or where you have seen this plant. We will directly start the chapter. So let's start. Ashish stood at the gate of the botanical garden. Okay, you know what is a botanical garden? A botanical garden is a garden where different types of plants are kept or different types of trees are present. He was excited to be there, waiting for his father's friend Biren Kaka, who was okay. So, what he was doing, he was very excited and he was waiting for his father's friend. What was his name? His name was Biren Kaka. A botanist. So he was a botanist. Who is a botanist? Who used to take care of the plants and trees. Biren Kaka had promised to take him around the garden to show him some curious and interesting plants. So what he has promised? He promised him that he is going to take him to the botanical garden to show some interesting plants. Ashish loved going for natural ramblers, as Biren Kaka called them. Okay, so Ashish was very happy going to the botanical garden, and he was also a rambles. Means what? That a person who goes from one place to another place for visiting something. They would start early in the morning when the sun was low and shining on the morning dew, and the air was cool and pleasant. Okay, so when they thought of starting the journey, they thought that they will start the journey in the morning when the sunlight is very low and the air is cool and pleasant. When Viren Kaka arrived, the very first thing they saw was a giant tree with a fat trunk and a crown of branches. Okay, so what type of tree they saw? They saw a giant tree, means what? A big tree. Okay, it was having a fat trunk and branches like a crown. What is this tree? Asked Ashish. It has such a funny shape like a barrel with branches on top. So Ashish asked with Viren Kaka that what kind of tree is it? How it was looking? It was looking like a barrel, means what? It was looking like a bottle. That is why it is called a bottle tree, said Viren Kaka. So what did Viren Kaka said? He said that this is a bottle tree. It has come all the way from Africa and is also known as a baobab. Okay, so from where the tree has came? The tree came from Africa, and it is also known as baobab. It must be very old, said Ashish, and it is so huge. It could be 400 years old, said Biren Kaka. So Ashish was saying that the tree is looking very old. So what did Biren Kaka replied? He replied that it is about 400 years old. Next, they came to the nursery where plants are kept if they are too small or weak to survive in the open. Okay, next what they were saying? They were saying the small plants which were kept in the nursery. What is a nursery? Nursery is also a place where the different types of plants are found. Look, said Biren Kaka, one of the strangest plant you will ever see. This big green leaf is shaped like a pitcher or jug. So Viren Kaka was showing him a different type of plant. What type of plant? A plant which was having a big green leaf. Okay, and its shape was like a pitcher, or you can say a jug, with the top of the leaf covering it like a lid, and it was having a lid, means what? You can say the cover. That is why it is called a pitcher plant, and the plant was known as the pitcher plant. What is special about it? Asked Ashish. So Ashish asked that what is the special thing in this plant? Well, said Biren Kaka, first of all, it eats insect. So the plants used to eat insects. A carnivorous, said Ashish. So what did Ashish said? That this plant is a carnivorous. Okay, so what is a carnivore? A carnivore are the animals or plants which eats only meat. Yes, these plants attracts little insect that fly into the top of the pitcher. The lid snaps shuts, the poor insects fall into the little pool of nectar at the bottom of the pitcher. So how what the plants used to do? The plant what they plant? The plant attracts the insects, okay? And when the insect come inside the pitcher, they fall into the nectar of pool. And what happened after that? The insect cannot climb out of the pitcher because the pitcher walls are smooth and slippery and have hairs pointing down, and the wall of the plant, or you can say the wall of the pitcher, are very slippery. So that's why what happened, the insects are unable to climb up, and the plant is also having a hair which catches the insect. There it dies and is digested, and there only the insect is to die. That is how pitcher plant get their food, and from this way the pitcher plant used to get their food. You see, they live in poor soil with very little nourishment, which in the case of plant is nitrogen. In India they are found in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and you can see that these kinds of plants lives in a poor soil, okay, and they require very less nourishment, and this type of plants are found in Arunachal Pradesh. What are traps, said Ashish. Ashish, what Ashish was saying, boling it is like a trap. Come along, said Biren Kaka. Let's look at the next one. Okay, and what happened? They proceeded to see the next plant. Here down on the garden ground, touch those lips. As Ashish did so, the whole plant seems to be shrink away from his hand. So what they were saying, they were touching the, there were some leaves on the ground and they were touching. When Ashish was touching the plant, it seems that it was shrinking. It means what, the leaves were folding. The paired leaves folded together and the branches dropped down as if the plant was dead. Okay, so when he was touching the plant, all the leaves were getting folded. Okay, and the branch of the plant used to bend down. Okay, if someone will see, then they will think that the plant is dead. What just happened? Exclaimed Ashish. Okay, Ashish asked that what happened? This is a mimosa, said Biren Kaka. So, okay, so what kind of plant was that? It was a mimosa. It is also called touch me not because of its shrinking habit, and that plant is also known as touch me not plant, that protects it from harm. It grows mostly in undistributed shady areas under trees or shrubs and has pretty little pink flower like powder puff. Okay, so where it grows in the undisturbed shady areas. Okay, where the areas are undisturbed means where you are unable to find other plants or other animals. Under the trees and shrubs, okay, and they used to grow in under the trees, and has what kind of flower they have? They have a pink flower. You can see it in many places in India, and these type of plants are found in different parts of India also. The sun was shining higher now, and Ashish saw that many flowers which he had not noticed earlier were appearing. Okay, so what was happening? The sun was shining higher, and Ashish, what he did, he noticed different kinds of flowers. Bright yellow sunflower turned their faces to the sun. Sorry. So what he saw the yellow sunflower which were facing towards the sun. Blue and purple morning glories unfolded their petals. Okay, and the other flowers like blue and purple. Okay, they used blue and purple colors of flower. They used to grow in the morning, and now what they were doing? They were unfolding the petals. Petals are, you can see it is a part of plant. In the fish pound, water lilies. Okay, so what they found in the fish pound, the fish pond, they found what, the water lilies which had bloom at night, closed themselves for the day, and these water lilies used to blooms in the night and they close themselves in the day. It was time for the lotuses to open their petal to the sun. And what was happening? Now it was the time for the lotus plant to open their petals. You can see that they both are moving in the garden. Okay, thank you.